Okay, let's create an alien using just one balloon. Okay, first things first, you need to create the head of our alien using this method, tulip twist. Again, this is the head of our alien. Create 1-inch bubble here. 1-inch bubble. And another 1-inch bubble. Just like that. Put it together to create a loop using these two. Now, make an ear twist using these two 1-inch bubble. Just like that. And what happens here is we created the eye of our alien. This is the eyes of our alien. That's it. So we have the eyes of our alien. Create another 1-inch bubble. Just like that. For the face. Now, create a 2-inch bubble here and another 1-inch bubble here, another 2-inch bubble here, and let's create 5 bubbles here, 5 1-inch bubbles, just like that. So we have 4, 5. Okay. Create another 2-inch bubble and 1-inch bubble. And create another 2-inch bubble here. Now, just make a ear twist here for this part. And another ear twist here for the elbow. And now, put these two bubbles together, just like that. And put this also here. And make an ear twist using these two. Okay. Now, create another ear twist here. Now, we end up this. Later, we will gonna pop this middle part so that these arms will be separated on one another. And that would be later. Just leave it right here for a while. Now, we need to add another figure here for the feet of our alien. So we need to add more. I think we have here more balloon figure for the feet. Okay. We need to trim this out. Remove some excess air. Just like that. So now, let's create the feet. Okay, the legs of our alien. Okay, now let's create 2-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble. Okay, just like this. Put it together first. Another 1-inch bubble. Another 1-inch bubble. Another 1-inch bubble. Just like that. Put it together. Just like this. And create 2-inch bubble here. Put it together. Just like that. Okay. Now, we need to cut this because we don't need this anymore. Let's cut the excess. Actually, our aim is to create one balloon figure alien, but in this case, we are run out of excess allowance for the balloon. So if this case happens to you, you need to add another balloon for this matter. Okay, so that's it. So we have something like this. Now we need to make an ear twist here. Another ear twist here for this part. Okay. Now it's time to pop those extra balloon here at the middle, so that the arms will be separated if you do this kind of pop. Just like that. See? And this part also. And we have an instant alien monster. Tada! Okay. Thank you so much. Alien monster.